Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to dive into SimX's brand new feature that lets you create and manage personalized sets of EMR slides for your virtual mannequin scenarios. To get started, in the moderator of any virtual mannequin scenario, you'll now see a new EMR slide set option in the top right corner of your tabbed menu. Click on it to open the EMR customization interface. This feature has two main parts: your slide library, which holds all your available EMR slides, and your custom EMR slide deck, which is organized into EMR sections. First, you'll need to create a new empty slide set. Click the New button, give your slide set a descriptive name, and then hit Save. The resulting empty slide set will appear in the Customize EMR Slide Deck section. Next, you'll need to add slides to your library. We recommend designing your EMR slides using tools like Google Slides or PowerPoint, then exporting them as a PNG or JPEG file. Just select the slide set you want to edit and click Edit. Then click the plus icon to open the upload interface and add slide to upload your files. If a virtual mannequin scenario already has default slides, they'll appear in the library and you can reuse them. If you add a file by mistake, simply click the X icon to remove it. Once your slides are uploaded, you can create a custom EMR slide deck for the learner to access throughout the scenario. Add slides to sections like Patient Overview or Inpatient Notes by navigating the moderator interface. Move the slides you want from the right-hand library panel into the left-hand EMR slides section panel. Only the slides you move to the left will be visible to your learners. You can also reorder the slides within each section using the up and down arrows. The order that you set directly dictates the sequence in which these slides appear on the learner's EMR tablet as they swipe right. The EMR sections themselves are standard and cannot be customized. However, you can choose which ones your learners see by unchecking the box next to any EMR section you want to hide. Now that you've created your custom EMR slide set, let's connect it to a preset. Presets are how you control the flow of your scenario. Click on the Documents icon to enter the Preset tab. You can either create a new preset by clicking the New button, or you can edit the existing one by right-clicking it and selecting Edit. In the Edit Preset window, find the EMR section and click the plus sign. This will bring up a list of all your saved EMR slide sets. Choose the newly created slide set from your list. You can make any other adjustment to this preset before you save. Adding an EMR slide set is just one component of a full preset. When you're ready, click Save in the Edit Preset header. And voila! Now, when you're running a virtual mannequin scenario, if you select this newly created preset, your custom slide deck will appear in the virtual EMR tablet for the learner to reference. Let's try out our new preset in a real simulation using SimX's Virtual Manikin for adult chest pain. We'll use our custom presets to guide the learner as they recognize and treat a patient for heart failure. The learner should recognize the signs and symptoms of heart failure and then clinical decompensation as the scenario continues. Let's start with our first preset. The patient's initial state will involve elevated blood pressure but otherwise stable vital signs. Our custom EMR will include appropriate physical exam findings, labs, and X-ray results for the initial presentation.
Hey, sir, I'm Dr. Patel. What's going on today? I heard you're having a little bit of trouble breathing.
Yeah, it's been pretty bad. I've been kind of dealing with it this week, and I really didn't want to come in because I don't really like going to the hospital, but my wife finally gets me to come get checked. And yeah, it's just been really getting harder to breathe.
Okay. And you mentioned you didn't want to come into the hospital. Is this something that has happened before? Have you dealt with this in the past?
Oh, yeah, it seems like it happens every couple times a year. I get short of breath and sometimes have to stay in the hospital.
You take any medicines for it?
Yeah, I'm on a water pill and some blood pressure medicine, and I take a multivitamin.
And then, if you don't mind, I'm going to remove this blanket and just take a look at your legs. Have you noticed that you've had any swelling in your feet or ankles or legs?
Yeah, this week it's been pretty bad. I mean, after really the big game this weekend, I definitely had some chicken wings and chips and stuff I probably wasn't supposed to, and I noticed, yeah, definitely, they kind of blew up after that.
Your lungs are sounding pretty wet, so I think that gives us a good explanation for what's going on. But let's get some testing too. Nurse, do you mind drawing off some labs for me? I'd like to get a BNP and some cardiac enzymes, and I'd also like a chest X-ray. Yep. So your BNP is a little bit up. That's a lab that tells us if you're holding on to more water than you need to. So that kind of matches. And yep, your chest X-ray shows your heart is a little bit enlarged. Again, that all kind of fits what we were thinking. And our radiologist just looked at it, and yeah, they agree. It's looks like we're dealing with what we call heart failure.
The learner has completed their initial evaluation, and so we've used our second preset to make the patient decompensate. This second preset will provide updated lab and x-ray findings to further illustrate their worsening state.
Seems like it's getting worse.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. Yeah.
man. Whew.
Yeah, it looks like your oxygen's
Really can't catch my
definitely
breath.
getting a little bit worse. Let me recheck your blood pressure here, and I'm going to turn up your oxygen on that mask. Okay. So this is that medicine I was talking about. Not going to work immediately, but it will help get rid of some of the fluid. And we're certainly going to need to keep you in the hospital to get this improved. I'm going to take a look at your labs and x-ray. So your labs are definitely looking a little bit worse than before, but it's all kind of matching what we were talking about earlier. So while this is concerning, I think we know what we need to do and we can get you feeling better.
With this new feature, you'll be given complete control over your scenario's narrative, plus the ability to build richer, more realistic training experiences for your learners.